Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Defender Limited Max. We've just installed, in my opinion, the best side view mirror option for it. This is from Can-Am, part number 715-008-101. Now, if you have the new door style of Defender Limited, or you've added these doors to your Defender, this is one of the two options that are available from Can-Am for your side view mirrors. The kit comes one mirror per box, and it will work on either side. It comes with the bracketry in the box to allow it to mount on either side. What do I like about this mirror? It does fold in and out of the way. If you're pulling in somewhere tight, smack a tree, it's going to fold out of the way. It is a nice rugged material there. Very optically clear on the glass. It looks like it belongs on the machine. What do you think? 435-427-3338. You can give us a call or shoot us a text at that number. We have these in stock. We can get them out today for you. Have a great day, everybody.